said by the pioneer of the century, the great Mahatma Gandhi. He has said that if you become the great, then why are you just wasting your time in becoming the best? Good morning, one and all present here. This is Sonia Tiwari in front of you, and today I got an opportunity to tell you about to express my views in front of you about the greatest peoples of India. We had watched so many videos, or we have read so many biographies of greatest people. They all had done so much hard work in their life, and they all had burned midnight oil. And until this earth will live, until we will live on this earth, they will always just motivate us, and they will always just appreciate us. They all had done so much hard work in their life, and the society always demotivated her. This society always said to her that you can't do anything in your life, you are just a waste of your society, please stop doing this nonsense in your life. But they are not demotivated by the society. They had the passion, and they had the dream to do something great in your life. They have the passion to do something big and something great in their life. Like we can take the example of Albert Einstein. In his childhood, he is very dull in studies. His sister always demotivate her. His sister always said that just leave it and you can't do anything in your life. You're just wasting your time and you're very dull in studies. He has never think about this. He just ignored his sister's nonsense talks, and he has think that I have to do something great in my life because it's my passion, and I have to become the greatest scientist of the India. And after doing hard work, and after burning midnight oil, he become the greatest scientist of this whole world. And now you are thinking that why I'm telling this story in front of you. The main reason behind this is that, guys, if that time Albert Einstein think that yes, my sister is telling right that I can't do that I can't do anything in my life, I'm just a waste, and I can't do anything in my life, then at the time, if he will think this type of thing, that he can't do anything in his life and he never become the best scientist of India. He had think that I have to do something great in my life, and I will do something great in my life. And he had done so much hard work. He had burned midnight oil, and that's after doing that type of hard work, he become the greatest scientist of our India. So guys, why this problems arises with every teenagers, that we all think that people are saying what about us, and just anybody says that you can't do anything, we just demotivated by their talks, that yes, he or she is telling right that I can't do anything in my life. But who are they to judge our life? It's our thinking that what we have to do in our life. So don't think about anybody, what they are telling about you, and don't think about your past, that what happened in your past. Don't waste your today that what happened in your yesterday. And at last, I want to share a slogan. The champions of champions, Mr. Muhammad Ali, has said a line that skill, will, and zeal. If your skill stop, then you have to use your will, and if your will stop, then you have to use your zeal. Thank you for listening.